Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Amazon Mechanical Turk or Turk. So Turk is an online platform where people can earn money by completing small tasks for others. It's like a virtual marketplace where people who need help with various tasks can find individuals willing to do these tasks for small payment. So how to join? Click on sign up as a worker. There sign in. If you don't have an account, create an account. So you need a name, an email address, and a password. And you need to re-enter the password. Now create the Amazon important message indicated you are new customer, but an account already exists on this email. Okay, this is weird, but let's change the email. I know why I already have an account here, because it's related to Amazon. Are those passwords the same? Let's find out. Good. Now to verify your email, we have sent a one-time password to my email. Okay. That's why I'm using Microsoft Bing. Cool. It will be very easy to find that email. Here, this is the one lifetime password. You put it here and create your Amazon account. So the tasks on mTurkey can vary wildly. Some examples include image categorizing, data entry, transcription, and survey. These tasks are usually simple and don't require specialized skills or knowledge. Sorry. People who need these tasks done know as requesters post them on mTurk, and workers can choose which tasks they want to complete. So now I'm signed up as a worker. You can sign up as like I said, as a customer. Customer is the one who gives the job. Yes, my country is here. Now let's just fill up this stage. I don't know if this contains a knee or something like this. Now, how did you hear about Amazon? Family or friend? What the primary reason you are interested? New skills, look into interest, my wage path. I want to earn rewards. Yes, money, 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 money. Pending invitation. You have successfully registered as a worker on Amazon Mechanical Turk. You will need an invitation before you can start completing tasks and earn. You will be notified via email on the statue of your invitation within 3 business days. If you want to learn more about being on in Turkey, meanwhile, you can browse the human intelligent tasks. So you can browse tasks and you cannot use it now. You cannot work now, but you will have to wait 3 business days like they said. So count it 4 days. So one of the advantage of Mturk is that it offers flexibility. Workers can choose when and how much they want to work, making it suitable for those who need a side income or want to earn money in their free time. However, the pay for each task is generally low, so it may not be a sustainable source of income on its own. So here we have the jobs you are doing, the hits, qualification. You will need to complete this and to raise your value. Here is your dashboard. So the platform has a reputation for being easy to use with straightforward interface and clear instruction for completing tasks. However, there can be some challenges too. Some requesters may not provide enough information or have unclear expectations, which can make it difficult for workers to complete tasks accurately. But in the meantime, you can still earn money. You just have to be approved. Another aspect of mTurk is that it relies on a system of rating and reviews. Like I said, you need to increase your rates, and workers are rated by requesters based on the quality of their work. And this rating can affect their opportunities to get more tasks in the future. Likewise, worker can review the requesters, which helps others decide whether to work with them or not. Now, here is the account. I still can't. You can set up a goal to reach, like one. I don't know how to. Oh, it's still $10,000, $100,000, $1,000,000 is my goal. Reward. Oh, this is the reward. This is the goal. Let's make it just 1,000. So let's go back here. Like I said, we have the jobs. You click on a job, inspect basketball game. Watch the video below and inspect the player who scored the basket. The time is 7 minutes. Qualification. Your target pixelot has been granted. So I think you see who has approved, and you got all the information you need. So overall, Amazon Mechanical Turk can be a useful platform for those who looking to earn extra money by completing simple tasks online. It offers flexibility and ease of use, but it's important to manage expectation about the pay and be aware of potential challenges that may arise. So, hope you understand everything about this website and how it works. So, if you are a worker, this is your place. By working on several websites at the same time, you can get more than $1,000 every month. So here you see the prices is very low. They didn't even reach $1. The the job that takes 30 minutes is for uh 70, 75 cents. Okay, this is very low, but you can just complete the tasks. They take less than 1 hour, so in 1 hour you can at least earn $1. Yeah, I know it's too low, but you can manage this. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.